Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how the U.S. gained independence. After the French and Indian War, Great Britain imposed new taxes and policies on the American colonies, leading to widespread discontent. Colonists felt these actions were unjust, particularly the concept of taxation without representation. This sparked organized protests and boycotts, setting the stage for a revolutionary movement. These early acts of defiance were crucial in uniting the colonies against British rule. As tensions escalated, colonial leaders convened the First Continental Congress to articulate their grievances. Public opinion shifted dramatically towards independence, greatly influenced by Thomas Paine's powerful pamphlet, Common Sense. This pivotal work clearly laid out arguments for separation from British rule. Ultimately, the Second Continental Congress formally adopted the Declaration of Independence on July 4, 1776, a bold statement of their desire for self-governance. The fight for independence escalated into the Revolutionary War, beginning with the skirmishes at Lexington and Concord in 1775. General George Washington skillfully led the Continental Army, often against a better-equipped British military. Despite early struggles, crucial victories at Saratoga and Yorktown proved instrumental. These successes, aided by foreign alliances, significantly weakened British resolve and paved the way for American triumph. Finally, the Treaty of Paris, signed in 1783, formally acknowledged the United States as an independent nation, ending the long and arduous war. This monumental achievement marked the birth of a new republic, though the journey to establish a stable and effective government was just beginning. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.